To check your call history online, use the Metro PCS app or the My Account portal on the Metro by T-Mobile website. Log in with your credentials. In the app, tap Account, then Usage, and finally Call History. On the website, navigate to your account dashboard. Select the date range you want to view. Your call history, including incoming and outgoing calls, timestamps, durations, and numbers, will be displayed. Note that T-Mobile requires two-factor authentication, 2FA, for sensitive data, so biometric verification may be needed. You can view the last 18 months of call history online. This method provides quick access and helps manage your usage effectively. Using the app provides the added benefit of AI chatbots to query call details, like, "Why was this call charged?" You can download your Metro by T-Mobile call history as a PDF statement. Access the My Account website and navigate to Statements. Select the month for which you want the statement and click Download PDF. The PDF statement will contain detailed call records and associated charges. These statements are generated monthly and serve as official records. Ensure you have PDF viewing software installed on your device. T-Mobile is phasing out paper statements in favor of digital options. The PDF statements are designed to be secure, and future advancements may include blockchain-based verification to prevent tampering. These statements offer a comprehensive view of your call activity for billing reconciliation and record keeping.